Is it time to buy or sell BigBear.ai Holdings stock? In this video, we're diving deep into BigBear.ai Holdings. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 11th of March, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 27th of February, 2025, our system has ranked BigBear.ai Holdings as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.78. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock faced a decline of 37.89%. This results in an average loss of 4.21% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 41.79% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 41.79% to 377.31%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 59.20%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 41.37% and 402.37% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price within the range of $4.50 to $15.98. Our latest daily update for BigBear.ai Holdings includes the headline, "Significant movements in BigBear.ai Holdings stock price on Tuesday, fluctuating 10.58% between high and low." On the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 11th of March, 2025, the BigBear.ai Holdings stock price increased by 1.27%, rising from $3.14 to $3.18. During that day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 10.58%, with a low of $2.93 and a high of $3.24. Over the last 10 days, the price has declined in 6 of those days, resulting in an overall decrease of 43.21%. Additionally, volume fell on the last day by 20 million shares, with a total of 41 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $130,570,000. It is important to note that decreasing volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $10.35, while the lowest was $1.17. Currently, the stock price stands at 69.28%, or $7.17, below the 52-week high, and 80.27%, or $12.94, below the all-time high recorded on the 6th of April, 2022, when the price reached $16.12. BigBear.ai, trading under the symbol BBAI, is experiencing significant stock volatility following its recent fourth-quarter earnings report, which revealed a wider-than-expected loss and a weakened outlook for 2025. The stock plunged 25% on March 7th, driven by disappointing financial results that missed analysts' estimates on both revenue and earnings. Despite securing a crucial $13.2 million contract from the United States Department of Defense to modernize a key force management platform, investor confidence has been shaken by the company's financial performance. The short-term impact on BBAI's stock price appears bleak, with heightened selling pressure likely as investors react to the earnings miss and cautious forward guidance. This trend might deter potential buyers in the interim, putting additional downward strain on the stock. Conversely, the longer-term outlook could benefit from the government contract and the positive assessment by analysts who still maintain a bullish stance despite recent setbacks. This mixed sentiment may stabilize the stock in the future, as ongoing demand for artificial intelligence solutions in defense could lead to further contract wins, ultimately enhancing revenue and improving financial stability in the long run. Thus, while short-term challenges pose risks, BBAI's strategic positioning within the defense sector remains a potential catalyst for recovery and growth. Analyst ratings. On the 30th of December, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned BBAI a buy grade with a hold action. On the 15th of October, 2024, it was also reported that H.C. Wainwright gave BBAI a buy grade alongside a hold action. Analysts have assigned BigBear.ai Holdings stock a general sell rating. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. Regarding return on investment, analysts have rated the stock with a strong sell designation. The following signals have been identified for BigBear.ai Holdings. Volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices increased. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning sign. It is important to monitor the stock closely. There were also some negative signals issued, which could impact the near-term development. BigBear.ai Holdings stock is currently receiving sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more unfavorable forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal arising from the relationship between these two indicators, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. On upward corrections, resistance may occur at levels of $4.02 and $5.71. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Thursday, February 13, 2025, and the stock has since declined by 67.48%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots also suggest a sell signal from 18 days ago. Bollinger indicates a buy signal from 101 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a sell signal from 17 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 10 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 8 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 13 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 124 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for BigBear.ai Holdings. BigBear.ai Holdings finds support from accumulated volume at $3.13. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. The stock exhibits significant daily movement, indicating high volatility, and the prediction interval from the Bollinger Band classifies it as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 310 thousandths of a dollar between its high and low, equating to a change of 10.58%. In the last week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 11.81%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings, let's quickly cover some essential, fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios could suggest inadequate profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 1st of May, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for BigBear.ai Holdings is at $3.19. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be exceeded before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a significant point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, BigBear.ai Holdings faces its first support level at $3.13. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a price rebound. The combined average rating for BigBear.ai Holdings from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Pangiam Ultimate Holdings LLC, which involved the buying and selling of 19,053,436 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 91.767. In total, insiders purchased 5,224,299 shares and sold 104,856,016 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and a stop loss has not been established. Is BigBear.ai Holdings stock a good buy? The stock of BigBear.ai Holdings presents several negative indicators. Despite a recent positive trend, we anticipate that BigBear.ai Holdings will experience weak performance in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, our evaluation of this stock remains negative. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 12th of March, we expect BigBear.ai Holdings to open lower by approximately 6.33 cents and begin trading at $3.12. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.